If you want to remove an emoji from a CapCut video, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to delete an emoji if it was added as a text or sticker layer, and then I'll also show you the smarter cleanup option if you have access to CapCut's advanced tools. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get rid of that emoji without messing up the rest of your video. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project in CapCut and go straight to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This is where every element in your video is stored, including the main footage, text, stickers, overlays, and an emoji. If the emoji was added using CapCut's text tool or stickers tool, it should already be sitting on its own separate track above your main video clip. That's the good news because it makes removal very simple. Now look carefully through the timeline tracking bar underneath the preview window. You want to find the layer that contains the emoji icon. It will usually be on a track above the main video, and it may appear as a small sticker, text box, or image layer, depending on how it was added. If you're not sure which one it is, click on the layers one by one until the emoji becomes highlighted on the preview screen. Once you've selected the emoji layer, you'll know it's active because it should show selection handles or a border around the object. At that point, you can remove it instantly. On a computer, press the delete key on your keyboard. If you prefer, you can also click the trash can icon in the timeline toolbar. Either method will remove the emoji layer from the video completely. This is the fastest method, and it works perfectly when the emoji was added separately inside CapCut. In most cases, that's all you need to do. The emoji disappears, your main footage stays intact, and you don't have to edit the rest of the scene. Now, if the emoji is not on its own layer, or if you're working with a more advanced CapCut feature set, there's another option you can try. This is useful when you want to hide or remove an object from inside the video itself using automated cleanup tools. To do that, select the video clip on the timeline first. Then go to the right-hand panel and look for Video, Remove BG, or Retouch, depending on your version of CapCut. Inside that menu, choose the Smart Removal or AI Object Eraser tool. This is CapCut's automated object removal feature, and it's designed to paint over unwanted elements by analyzing the background behind them. After you open the tool, use the brush to paint directly over the emoji you want to remove. Try to cover the entire emoji area without brushing over too much of the surrounding video. Once you've marked it, let CapCut analyze the frame and fill in the missing area with matching background textures. This can take a few moments depending on your clip and the size of the object. When it's done, preview the result to make sure the area looks natural. If needed, you can undo it and brush again for a cleaner result. If the emoji moves around in the video, you may need to repeat the process for multiple frames or adjust the removal across the clip. But if the emoji stays in one place, this method can give you a pretty clean fix without having to manually crop or blur the screen. So, to recap, if the emoji was added as a sticker or as text layer, just find it in the timeline and delete it. If you need an automated cleanup solution, use CapCut's Smart Removal or AI Object Eraser tool and brush over the emoji. Both methods can help you remove unwanted emoji from your CapCut video quickly and effectively. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple editing tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.